Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to get a dog, it don't matter how old or young, to start shaking your hand with their paw. Alright, sit. So it's very easy. You start slowly, and you can do it within a week, just once a day, once or twice a day, and you'll get them able to shake your hand. So what you want to do is you want to choose one paw, either her left or her right. I want to choose her left paw. Alright, come here. I want to choose her left paw because that's the one that she knows how to do it with. Alright? Alright, sit. Sit. Alright? So, what you want to do the first 1 to 2 days is with her paw on the ground, you want to tap it. And you want to say, shake. As you tap it on the ground, her paw's on the ground, you tap it, you say shake. And then you gently take her paw up and you lift it, and then you give her her treat. First 2 days. Third day, you pick it up again. No, we're doing the left one. So you just say, you tap it, and then you gently lift and you say shake. And then you shake like this, and you give them the treat. It's very important that you always give them a treat afterwards, because it's like Pavlov's dog. That's how you're training them to start shaking your hand, because they realize that they're getting a treat every time. Now, after a few weeks, you won't have to give them a treat every time, even though they'd appreciate it. You don't have to give them a treat every time because they'll learn how to do it. All right, stand up. Come here. Up. Come here. Come here. All right, sit. Now, after the 4th to 5th to 6th day, you keep testing it, and then you just put your hand out, and as soon as you put your hand out, they'll know to shake, usually. If not, if they're a little bit older dog, you might have to help them along, and then put your hand out, and eventually they'll start shaking every single time. So again, it's a gradual technique. You start tapping their paw on the ground, you say shake every time, you give them a treat every time, and then you gently bring it up and you start shaking every time until eventually shake. Good girl. Okay. Now there's no treats. Shake. Shake. See? No treat. She'll still do it. Alright. Make sure you tell everybody to subscribe, okay? Alright? Tell them that we care about them. We want them to watch our videos. Alright? Alright, thanks guys for watching.